So the player comes with a patch cord of 1.4 mHz, a connector with spring contacts through, powered from 12 to 36V, support for RS-485 and RS-232, as well as discrete IOs, is still under development. Next is the Ethernet port for networking. At the bottom are two status indicators. On the adjacent side, there is a nest under the Wi-Fi antenna. Optionally, there can be a 4G socket. Her support will be implemented programmatically soon. Also, no support for SIM card USB ports and HDMI port yet. Below is a large radiator for cooling. On the back, there's a mount for one rail. On board is a 4-core CPU, 1.5 GHz. eMMC memory used instead of flash drive for storage, more reliable due to built-in controller. Declared memory capacity is 32 GB, of which about 26 GB available to user. The remaining is handled by the OS. After unpacking the equipment, we must supply power, connect to the computer, activate the license, configure IP address, set the time, create and upload animations, and create a script specifying playback schedule for animations.
So we switch on the player and then connect it to.
He has a network cable, the corresponding part of the cable.
Establish connection with the converter. Activate the power supply of the converter. The converter is connected to the internet and computer through a switch. The switch enables the converter to establish a connection with the internet and communicate with the computer.
To make devices work together, they must be in the same subnet. Move on to player interface. To do this in the browser, enter IP, username, password. Actually manage all player settings. You cannot just from a computer.
Additionally, it is possible to access the content not only from a tablet or smartphone, but also from other mobile devices such as laptop.
Additionally, prepare and upload animations. To player, export a list of devices to which ArtNet signal transmitted if broadcasting done in unicast mode, create scenario, setup done. Just connect equipment, panels, and rulers to converter and start animation.